smells it look like I'm in Kerala only. ऐसा लग ही रहा कि मैं केरला के बाहर हूँ. तो बाहर से जो डेकोरेशन पूरा फर्नीचर आर्ट क्राफ्ट रखा है पूरा केरला वाइब है. एंड व्हाट द बेस्ट थिंग टू ओपन माय इफ्तार विद द ऑस्पिशियस मंथ इन दिस प्लेस विच आई गिव लॉट्स ऑफ ब्लेसिंग. Why not to share my blessing with my friends and families and all over here. So बहुत खुशी हुई. खाने को तो लाजवाब है as usual. धनाटन जो टीम है always good with food. So खाने का तो I'm looking forward to eat more different varieties. But इफ्तार खोल के इतना heavy खाया नहीं जाता है. But अभी काफ़ी चीज़ टेस्ट भी करनी है and I'm sure it is be the best.
recommendation होगी यहाँ की आसिफ?
They have that potli biryani which is like very different. I don't remember the actual Kerala term for that. So I'm looking forward. That is amazing and tasty. And they have that banana bhajiyas which is like we don't get बॉम्बे में मिलता नहीं है जो केरला का स्पेशल है. So वो खाना ज़रूरी है. बहुत अच्छा है. और डेजर्ट में भी काफ़ी वैरायटी है which is different from other restaurants.
So कितना authentic, you have to rate out of 100 the authenticity of Kerala.
Out of 10 I can say about 9. Almost everything is there. Got the Kerala flavor, the masala, and the ingredients that they use like a very authentic Kerala thing. And they have other varieties also, especially North Indian food, vada pav. But of course, for best Kerala food, Kerala kitchen is the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
When it comes to the food and beverage industry, right from Tanatan to Megumi, and you name the places, you killed it always, including Tanatan. Now Kerala Bharat by Tanatan add to the prime location of Mumbai, authentic Kerala food and Mangorian food. What would you like to say? It's going to be launched soon.
Hoping everybody should love this kind of a cuisine because Kerala food is not there in Mumbai. So I thought let's do it something different. So I thought we'll do Kerala.
So क्या unique है?
I got a chef from Kerala. For me also, I'm learning what is actually a Kerala food is and all because their spices are very different. What we eat in Bombay people, we can't take that spicy food. It's very spicy. But I told him let's go little milder because Bombay people prefers little light food. They don't prefer to be very oily and spicy food.
अभी आपका soft launch phase चल रहा है और already the place is just buzzing.
Buzzing it. People are talking about it. Every day, a lot of people are coming and asking, is it open? Is it open? But we said no. It's officially open on 6th. 5th we have a grand launch.
कोई भी जगह जब खुलती है उसकी लोकेशन हमें कितना मैटर करती है? आपका इतना वास्ट एक्सपीरियंस है.
Because whenever I open any place, I always first prefer to be choosing a right location. That matters a lot. And I wanted on the bang opposite to Marriott. We are from here in a day 10,000 people go to Bandra, come back and they go to Lokanwala side. So it's always a busy road. This is only one road and one is the SV road. So I thought why not be in Juhu, which is next to my very close by, and I'm gonna complete 10 years for that restaurant. My first baby, Tanatan.
And in these 10 years you leaps and bounds. हमने आपकी पूरी जर्नी देखी है. That's been fantastic. Kerala food, Kerala केले के पत्ते पे.
We have we are planning to do a sadhya, which is gonna be on a banana leaf food, which will be served only on a Sunday, like a brunch. Because every day if you do it will become a common. So I wanted to do something authentic and festival time when Kerala festivals are there, Pongal is there, and the other festivals are there, Kerala people. So I wanted to keep it something special for the festival time. And Sundays will be a special. Only the food will be served on a banana leaf.
Buffet, thali, what is that you recommend to be there?
I want Bombay, especially this part of a Mumbai, suburbs. They should try a food in our restaurant. It's a very authentic Kerala cuisine. Our chefs are from Kerala and they are making different kind of a dips. And that thali, not thali, it's called a sadhya. It will be having approximately 35 to 40 items on one leaf, veg and non-veg. So I think it's a feast.
एक मैसेज आपका हमें जो सब केरला फूड के लवर्स हैं और मुझे लगता है.
I will say please support me to be successful in this brand also. So whatever I have did every places has been like a best, but I want support for even this place.
I mean, you're blessed and all your places are doing well and we are sure even
First of all, I have been a fan of Tanatan from the day it was launched. So this is a continuation of the extremely high standards that they have already and benchmark that they have already set in the field of food and beverage and hospitality. So I can expect nothing but the best from the Kerala cuisine that they're going to be curating here. But yeah, the soft launch, thanks to Asif, hosting it on a beautiful occasion. Iftari, by the way, is a beautiful tradition which was set by Prophet Muhammad. And it's not just a simple fast or a meal breaking. Come, you've got to be here. Yeah, you're the man of the moment. Yeah. So it's not just a fast breaking tradition. It symbolizes faith, collective socialism. A lot of my friends, I'm not a Muslim, but a lot of my friends invite me in the iftar party, and it brings the entire community together.
Physical and spiritual strength together.
Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. So thank you for hosting such a beautiful gesture, and looking forward to a great Kerala cuisine. That's my number one go-to place, my all-time favorite, and I'm absolutely sure Amit Pal would have done wonders with the Kerala cuisine here at this place. So thank you, Amit. Thank you, Asif, and great to be here.
It was lovely. It's always these guys, whenever they open a new restaurant, it's really always amazing. Their hospitality, their food, they always make it with love and affection, and that's what really matters. It's really nice. You always have a good experience, and now it's a new one. I remember coming here 20 years ago. This was a different place. This looks really bright and happy right now. So yeah, really good food. Really good food.
Your experience here, tell us about.
So whenever Amit invites us for a new place to try, it's a different experience. Every place that we have visited is a different experience. The flavors are different, the presentation is different, the decor, the ambience, everything is a different experience altogether.
Tell us about the food. Food कैसा था यहाँ पे, कितना कमाल का था?
फूड बहुत बढ़िया था, माइंड ब्लोइंग था. केरला का तो था ही, और बाकी सब भी थोड़ा कुछ न कुछ हर जगह रखा ही है.
जी.
बहुत बढ़िया. Really.
I'm a fan of neer dosa and appams and all, so that was definitely something that I wanted to try, and I highly recommend that.
Thank you.
And all the mutton dishes also really good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
आज चीज़ यहाँ पर आ पाए हैं, कितनी खुशी महसूस हो रही है और क्या बेस्ट विशेष देना चाहेंगे सर के जिन्होंने ओपन किया है?
महसूस हो रही है. Tanatan has been my favorite restaurant since 5 years, और अभी this new Kerala kitchen is open, और I'm a big fan of South Indian food. So I just tasted, अभी आपसे बात करने से पहले मैंने अभी सिर्फ chicken 65 taste किया, and it was amazing, and I'm looking forward to have their full course.
Thank you.
How's the ambience here, मैम? यहाँ पे आ पाए, कितना अच्छा लग रहा है? Thank you.